person's name and so on. I'll just print out the person's name and address. And let's say do stuff with, let's go back to our, I'll just say new person here. Simple. And let's run this and just see that that's doing what we think it's going to do. Okay, looks good. No logging happening yet about that person. Oops. So let's put in this guy up here as well, so it's separated. Let's go ahead and try logging this guy now. Back to our factory. Let's make this a little bit more general. So I'm going to say create dynamic proxy logger, passing in an object. So far, so good. Now you notice that we got a couple issues here. We need to know what interface we want this thing to be wrapped with. So somebody needs to tell us that. Now there's a couple ways we could handle this. We could say, let's look at the object and just get all the interfaces off them. But there's a little bit of an issue with that. We have to be able to say what we're returning here, right? We can only return one interface, one type. So either we can pass back object, and then whoever the caller is can cast it. That could work fine. Or we could say, tell me the interfaces that you want to implement, and we'll just by convention say the first one is what my return value is going to be. So we could do a couple different ways on that. Let's see. Make this be an object.getClass. Here's where we have to have our interfaces. Let's start by making it explicit.